Hello everyone. So today's question is 8 divided by 2 bracket open 1 plus 3 bracket close. So as per the PEMDAS rule, order of operation, you just have to solve the bracket first, that is 1 plus 3, it will be 4. And then you have to multiply this, it will be 4 2s are 8, it will be divided and this will become 8. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. But this answer is wrong. Because as per the PEMDAS, as you can see that P means brackets and E is the exponential value, M is multiplication, D division, A is addition and S is subtraction. So as per this question, most people what they do, they follow these steps. According to the step, you have to use PEMDAS, that is from left to right. So as per this PEMDAS rule, first you have to solve this parenthesis, that is bracket. It is 1 plus 3, it will be 4, and then 8 divided by 2 will be coming as it is. So what people do, what they do is this, after this they see this M, that is multiplication, so they just multiply these two. But according to the rule, M is multiplication and D is division. You can do both in the same manner, but whatever will come first, that will be followed. If the division will come first, you have to solve the division first, and if the multiplication will come, you have to do multiplication first. So according to this question, division is coming first. You have to solve 8 divided by 2 first. So 8 will be divided by 2, you will get 4, and then this bracket will be solved. So that means 4 into 4, it will be 16. So this is the correct answer.